Samarita Global Outreach. Let's never grow tired of doing good. We are happy to welcome another group into the Samarita family. We are grateful first to God and second to our brother Akish Axias for making the arrangements for us to be able to serve. The church is the Baptist Church of Bwalyann La Gonave, and it's under the leadership of Pastor Legliz. They have granted us the opportunity to serve with hot plates on a monthly basis and other items periodically. We are grateful. The work continues in various regions of Haiti where the need is great. In some places we can say the situation is dire. If you happen to be from this part of Haiti, if your family's from this part of Haiti, we're asking you to go ahead and check us out and see how you can become part of this wonderful movement. Or maybe you're from somewhere else in Haiti. You can go ahead and start something of your own. There's a quote that I love, and it goes something like this: we don't have to be big to do big things, but we can do small things in a big way. Wouldn't it be great if you decided to start doing something today, however small it might be, but do it in a big way and just watch it take life, especially when you invite God into it. We're also grateful to Pastor Wilson Charles in Port-au-Prince, who's also helping our cause in a very big way. We're showing you these videos to ask you to be a part of the movement if you choose to do so, or to go ahead and start something of your own where you can start giving back to this world who greatly needs whatever gift, whatever talent, whatever it is that you have. And every one of us has something that we can give back for the greater good. A big thank you to Cheryl Kelly and the good folks at Women Encouraging Women for donating much needed quality items. And to all of you who continue to help us, we thank you. You are a part of every single activity that we undertake. Legliz Bwalyann Kembe Fem. Pasteur André Saint-Sineus Kembe la. Pasteur Jean Kenso Célestin, continuez janm. Frères et sœurs Akish Oxeus, merci. Kembe la. Schneider Oxeus, continuez dans travay. Pasteur Wilson Charles, more power to you, my brother. Et à équipe Samarita, bon travail. À nous continuer. Bon courage. Nous irons joyeux cueillir les épis. Samarita Global Outreach. À nous pas janm bouke fait bien. Let's never grow tired of doing good. Thank you.